Hello friends, now I will show you how to WordPress website access from cPanel. This is the WordPress website. It's now not login, and this is the cPanel login interface. So first of all, I need to log in on the WordPress. I need to log in on the cPanel. So need to click on the login. After login, then you will see this interface. Then you need to find out the Softaculous software. After some scroll, then you will see the Softaculous apps. So you need to click on the WordPress. After click the WordPress, then you see the current WordPress website installed here. Then I will log in on this one. Okay. So you click on the login as admin. If you click the user icon, then you will see the login panel. I mean WordPress login. Click right and new tab. Yeah, this is the new WordPress dashboard. I mean after login from cPanel. There is the login, I mean WordPress admin panel. This is the WordPress website. If I scroll reload here, then you will see the WordPress login bar. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.